Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for John P. John, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a big block Jasper, so I had the 512 megabyte NAND. We RGH'd it using a Matrix V1 and the RGH 1.2 method, as you can see, which provides really nice fast boot times. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all preloaded. Check out the confirmation email thoroughly that comes with your tracking number, as there's also some additional video links in there that you'll find quite useful. Additionally, I did get your a secondary ring of light. That's totally fine. Built into my normal pricing is doing a ring of light board, so we went ahead and did this one up in orange and tested it, so you'll get that back with your console as well, since you already had the blue LEDs done on yours. So thank you very much for your purchase and trusting us with your console. We'll get it packed up and head it back out your way tomorrow. Thanks.